Saan ka pupunta? Oh, ano? Yes? Yes. Okay, so ano pinapakinggan mong music?
What?
Oh, English. Alright, sorry. What music are you listening to?
I don't know what was the title of that song, but I was dancing.
Oh, are you a dancer?
I don't know.
Oh, what's your talent?
I don't know also.
Would you like to find out? Alright, can you sing a song?
No, either.
No. So, what were you thinking while you were waiting for your turn? What are the things that are running into your head?
I was just happy because even if I was the last one to call to being in the top 5.
You were happy. Tingin ng happy. Chihuahua smile. Kinakabahan ka?
Not at all.
Wow, confident. And if you're so confident this evening, anong message ang gusto mong iparating sa mga kapwa mo finalists?
I'm very, very happy to them because we're in our 11 days in-house. We were just like bonding, and that's all.
Girl, lasing ka ba? Okay, sige. Ito na lang. Anong gusto mong sabihin na lang para hindi kita tinatanong?
What?
English, sorry, I forgot English. What would you like to say?
What would like to?
Anything you would like to say to the people, to the world, to your family?
I'm so happy to stand here right side by you, Joseph.
Sure kayo sa kanya? Galingan mo Ito, chichismisan kita. Yung 4 na finalists, bumula yung bibig nila tonight. Feeling mo kaya mong sagutin ang final question?
Yes.
Ooh, I love it. Very confident. All right, since you are confident about the final question, you have 45 seconds to answer. Hinga ka munang malalim. All right, give the affirmation to yourself. You will be giving the best answer to this question. And I'll be reading this twice. Ready?
You're ready. Yes, we are ready.
Okay, you're ready. Hingang malalim. Serious na tayo. Okay, ayan. Pag ikaw hindi nakasagot sa ginagawa mo talaga, hinga ka munang malalim. Baka masisipa ako dito. Ayan. Boys.
Okay, thank you, Josa. If our crown is Bayambagan 2026, I will carry the story of the farmers, the one who bend under the sun to have someone eat on their table but struggling to have their own. The youth who drown under poverty, less opportunities, the families who struggle each and every day because there's no one listening to them. As a Bayan candidate in agricultural communities, I will use my voice to thank you.
Sige, bibigyan kita ng chance. Dahil wala naman ng timer, time 2 na lang naman, ano yung gusto mong sabihin dun sa sagot mo?
It's not satisfying.
Pero you are such a funny girl. You have the personality. Happy ba kayo sa kanya? See, the people love you, diba? Even if you're not satisfied with your question, with your answer to the question, everyone was satisfied with your performance. Happy kayo sa performance niya? See? Thank you so much, candidate number 6.